Andy. Let's get to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. Alright, so what is a Rubik's Cube? Well, a Rubik's Cube is a combination puzzle that allows you to move around a three-dimensional piece. Not all puzzles are the same because they sometimes have different pieces within them. They may be in different slits and cuts, or they're just really big and really old. All of them share a common thing, which means that the color schemes are usually the same. For example, the white will always be on top, the green will always be facing you, and the red will always be on the right. Same falls for everything. So, how do you solve Rubik's Cube? Well, it's a little bit more complicated than you think. There's a lot of pieces within a puzzle, and the Rubik's Cube has about 3 of them. A centerpiece, an edge piece, and the corner piece. They compose up of all the cube. Every single piece belongs in a specific area. For example, this white and red piece should be there. However, this orange and green piece do not belong there. They belong in here. See? Perfect. Now, the biggest misconception is that people think you have to solve one side at a time. Well, no. Funny thing is, you do have to solve one side, but you see how disoriented this looks? It's a little bit messy with just one white side that looks clean. Well, you're supposed to get it to look more so like this, where all the edges and corner pieces are actually aligned together properly. Once you get the first layer done, with almost everything matching in colors pieces and its proper locations, then you're supposed to build off of it, which is supposed to look like this. We're pretty much done with this cube at this point, but we're missing the top area. Once you proceed to do this, you're supposed to solve the top opposite color that you started with. Once you've solved the yellow side, you pretty much got a lot of this done. Well, you're missing one thing really. You're actually missing to orient the last layer. You require an algorithm to learn how to solve this. An algorithm is just a fancy word for a pattern that does something for you. In this case, I need these 2 pieces to be switched around. Red belongs here, and the green belongs here. And these 2 need to be swapped. And we're done. That's your general overview of how a Rubik's Cube should be solved. It should be really easy to understand if you understand what the pieces do, how they work, and where each piece belongs to one another.